Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Gamepass in Please Donate. First of all, you have to do is open this URL create.roblox.com, and from here you will see this interface. You have to click on creations. Now from here you have to click on your username, which is public. You have your own username. Click on it. Then you have to swipe down just a bit until you see monetization and click on passes under monetization. Click on passes and click on create a pass. Now this page will open. You can give any name. For example, you're a legend. You can type anything. You can type any description as you want. And then simply you can also change this picture. I'm not gonna, but you can change. So I will click on create a pass simply. Now I have successfully created a pass, but it is right now off sale. So you have to put it on sale. So I will click on it. I will go to sales, and then I will turn on the toggle called item for sale. Once turned on, I will put the price or input the price in Robux. For example, if I type 120 Robux, I will only get 84 because I will only earn 70%. So I will click on save changes. Now once I have saved the changes, I have successfully made a Gamepass in Please Donate. You can go to Please Donate. Your pass will be available there. So that's how you can make a Gamepass in Please Donate. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.